This AI-generated influencer has 325,000 Instagram followers and makes $20,000 per month, which left me wondering, is it possible to do the same on YouTube and make money? Where I don't show my face, I don't write a script, and even doing it without a prompt, all by using a free AI tools. But first I'll show all the processes to create your AI influencer. So let us begin by clicking the link on the description and you will be on the APOB AI website. Here, click on the login button. If you're new, you'll need to create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Now, you're on the APOB AI interface. Here, you can see various options to create your AI influencer model. Let's say we want to create an AI influencer model, click on the Create Portrait button. Now, you can see two options. You can upload a reference image, or you can just generate an AI model using APOB. I am going to generate it, so select the AI influencer generator. You'll see various options to customize your AI influencer. You can select the gender, age, country, and other features. You can also adjust the intensity of these features using the sliders. Once you're happy with your selections, click on the Generate button. APOB AI will then start creating your AI influencer. This process may take a few seconds, and there you have it, your unique AI influencer is ready. Now click select this image as a reference image. Then just give it your model name, and if you want to write a description, you can do it. After that, click on Create Your Image Model. Next, you can see all your model details, and you also have the option to make it public or private. Now, you can see we have different options to create your influencer or model, so let's see them one by one. First, select the Build Your Own option. Here, you can build your model by choosing your specific style, environment, appearance, and weather. So I'm going to choose the realistic style, airport as an environment, young, casual appearance, and weather as the sunny day. Once you're happy with your selections, click on the Generate button. APOB AI will then start creating your AI influencer. This process may take a few seconds, and there you have it. Your unique AI influencer is ready. You can download it by clicking here. Now go to the second option and select the complete set. Here, you do not need to choose different options, you just need to choose a set. Click Generate and wait a few seconds to see the magic, and boom, there you have it. For the third option, if you want to create your model through a prompt, you can choose this and generate. But I told you we are not using any prompt, so I am just leaving it. But wait, APOB AI doesn't stop at influencer creation. If you want to be the star of your own show, use the video face swap feature to replace your face with your AI model in any video. Upload your video, click Generate, and watch as your AI alter ego takes center stage. You can even download the final result. For a quick image makeover, try the image face swap option. Upload your photo, click Generate, and see your AI transformation come to life. And voila, your creation is ready. Next, if you want to transform a still image into a dynamic video, select Image to Video. You can either upload a new photo or use one of your previously created AI models, or even explore the APOB community for inspiration. Once you've made your choice, click Generate and let the magic unfold. Lastly, APOB AI can make our influencer talk. All we have to do is go to Talking Avatar section and select our personal influencer. Then, upload a voiceover and hit Generate. APOB AI will generate the video, and here is all the results APOB AI generated.
This is a sample for APOB AI.
And that's a quick tour of APOB AI. If you want to try APOB AI, it offers a generous free plan with 80 daily credits. For unlimited access and exclusive features, explore their premium options, and as a special treat, enjoy a 15% discount with my exclusive link. So now you are ready to revolutionize your content with AI influencers. Give APOB AI a try and share your creations with the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.